Leaves are turning golden, drifting on the breeze. Memories of us linger like whispers in the trees. Your smile in the sunset, fading soft and slow, but in my heart it echoes a warmth I'll always know. Fading echoes, soft and dear, hold me close, though you're not here. In the quiet, I feel you near. Love that time can't disappear. Seasons come and go like pages in a book, but every faded chapter I treasure with one look.